is our topic for today. Network tools, equipment, and testing devices. Introduction. Different networking devices have different role to play in computer network. These network devices also work at different segment of computer network performing different works. In our new series, after new network topology, we talk about different networks devices like a switch, router, hub, bridge, etc. Okay, let's go back to the hub. So ito po yung topic po natin for the hub. So makikita po natin dito yung picture po ng hub, example po ng hub po natin. Hub enable computer on a network to communicate. Each computer plugs into hub with an Ethernet cable, and information sent from one computer to another passes through the hub. A hub can identify the source of intended destination of the information it received. So it sends the information of the computers connected to it, including the one that sent. A hub can send or receive information, but it can't do both at the same time. This makes hubs slower than switches. Hubs are that least complex of the least expensive of these devices. So dito po yung hub. Ano po yung mga categories po mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo. Ang hub po natin, yan po yung nag-insert po ng internet po natin, no? Makikita po natin mga dito sa pictures. Meron po tayong 4 na ports para po yan sa mga computers po natin. And also the internet. Yan po yung lalagyan po ng internet, then mag-source po yan ng internet po yan sa mga computers po natin. We have 2 categories of hub. Active hub and passive hub. What is active hub? They're smarter than the passive hub. They not only provide the fact for the data signals in fact regenerated, concentrate, and stretching of the signals before sending them to their destinations. Active hub are also termed as repeaters. And also the passive hub, they are more like points of contact for the wires in the physical network. They have nothing to do with modify the signals. Ang active hub para po siyang repeaters. Yan. Kung nakikita po natin yan sa mga SM, yung sa taas po ng kisame po nila, meron pong globe, smart, ayun po yung nakikita po natin kadalasan. Ayun po yung tataw po na repeaters to expand the internet. Okay? Ito naman yung passive hub po natin. Ayun po yung pinaka-main hub po ng internet po natin. Okay, switches. Switches work the same way as hubs, but they can identify the intended destination of the information that they receive. So they send that information to only the computers that are supposed to receive it. Switches can send and receive information at the same time, so they can send information faster than hubs can. If your home network has 4 or more computers, or you want to use your network for activities that require passing a lot of information between computers, such as playing networks, games, or sharing musics, you should probably use a switch instead of a hub. Switches cost a little more than hubs. Ito po yung switch po natin. Mas marami po siya. Yan, mas many parts of or ports na ilalagay mo sa computer coming from the switches po natin. So ayun po yung example po niyan ng switch po natin. Mas marami po, no? Almost 48 switches or 24, 48, 12 switches. Meron po tayo nakikita yung 4 ports po natin. So nakikita po dito yung switches po yan. Meron din po tayo tinatawag na manage switch. Pag sinabing manage switch at saka switch, ordinary po yung switch, ordinary lang po yan. Pero pag sinabi po manage switch, ito po yung nag-limitation ng data papunta sa isang computer. Like for example, ito, nilagyan ko po siya ng internet dito. Nakikita nyo po sa mga computer shop, may umiilaw-ilaw po doon. Ibig sabihin po nun, ayun po yung nag-access ng internet. Doon po lahat nakalagay yung computer sa computer shop na umiilaw. Pag nag-blink po yung mga ilaw niyan, ibig sabihin, nag-access po siya ng internet sa server. So, ibig sabihin, siya po yung nag-limit, yung switch manage switch po natin, siya po yung nag-limit ng data. For example, sa A, B, C, gusto ko pong limitahan yung internet po nila, pwede po yan. Pagpasa po ng data po nila, pwede po yan. Okay, using manage switch. Next, we have bridge. A bridge is a computer networking device that builds the connections with the other bridge networks which use the same protocol. It works at the data link layer of OSI model and connects the different networks together and develops communication between them. It connects two local area network, two physical LANs into larger logical LAN, or two segments of the same LAN that use the same protocol. Okay, ang bridge po natin, yan po siya. Dalawang hub, dito lang sa pictures, kadalasan po nangyayari po yung try sa industry po natin. Host A, host B, na-connect po yan sa hub po natin. Then host C and host D na-connect sa hub 2. Yung hub na dalawa po yan, maglalagay po tayo ng bridge. Okay, bridge po yan para pagdaanan po ng data po ng bawat isa. Okay, po yung gamit ng bridge. Apart from building up larger network, bridges are also used to segment larger network into smaller portions. The bridge does so by placing it between the two portions of the physical networks and controlling the flow of the data between them. Bridges dominate to forward the data after inspecting into the MAC address of the devices connected to every segment. The forwarding of the data is dependent on the acknowledgement of the fact that the destination address resides on some other interface. It has the capacity to block the incoming flow of the data as well. Today, learning bridges have been introduced that build a list of the MAC address on the interface by observing the traffic of the network. This is a leap in the development field of manually recording of the MAC address. Siya din po yung nagpa-block ng data. Kung meron pong ito-block na data, siya po yung nagpa-block. For example, meron pong pinasa si PC1, si host D, kay host D na malicious files, siya po yung nagpa-block po nun. Okay? Ethernet switches are seen to be gaining trend as compared to bridges. They are succeeding on the account of provision of the logical divisions and segments in the network fields. In fact, switches are being referred to the multi-port bridges because of their advanced functionality. Okay, siya po yung nag-block ng Ethernet. Okay, let's go to routers. Routers enable computers to communicate and they can pass information between two networks, such as between your home networks and the internet. This capability to direct networks traffic is what gives the router its names. The router can be wired using Ethernet cables or wireless. If you just want to check your computer's hubs and